Hello students of grade 6. Today we will be learning from the Geography chapter 1, the Earth in the solar system. In this chapter, we will learn about our universe and galaxy, our solar system, why the Earth is a unique planet, the moon and its species. Let me give you a short introduction. When you go out to an open area and observe the sky, what do you see? Probably you will see the moon and the stars twinkling in the sky. But do you know that much beyond what our eyes can see exist millions of objects varying of shapes and size floating in the universe? So the universe comprises of all existing matter and space taken together as a whole. The universe is approximately 93 billion light years in diameter and has been expanding since its creation of the Big Bang about 14 billion years ago. Big Bang is a prevailing cosmological model to observe the universe in the earliest period. The solar system is part of the Milky Way or Akashganga. It appears as a band of gas, dust and stars arching across the night sky. Solar system comprises the sun at the center and 8 planets. In ancient times, the early astronomers thought that the Earth was stationary and the sun, the moon and other planets were revolving around it, which was known as Geocentric Theory and was supported by popular scholars like Aristotle. But in the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus came up with a new model of the solar system with sun at the center and other planets, Earth and other planets revolving around it, which was known as heliocentric theory. The solar system comprises the sun at the center and 8 planets. And so the sun is considered as the head of the solar system. Now, planets are celestial bodies which do not have light and heat of their own. They do not have light and heat of their own, but used to shine in darkness of space due to the reflection of the sun. So for any solar system body to qualify as a planet, they need to have the following characteristics. Firstly, it should be a body orbiting around the sun. Secondly, it must have enough weight for self-gravity. And thirdly, it must be round in shape. So the planet in the order of the distance from the sun are like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There are 8 planets in our solar system and the Earth is one of them. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and the 5th largest planet in the solar system. Now, why the Earth is considered a unique planet? It is because the Earth has a very special features that supports life. The physical characteristics of the Earth and its positions relative to the sun have made it habitable for any life to exist. It is the distance from the sun is perfect for maintaining a suitable temperature for life to exist. Now, if our planet were close to the sun, the ocean would have dried up, and if it's further away, it would have been frozen. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air composed of life-supporting gases called atmosphere. And this atmosphere helps in maintaining the temperature on the Earth and protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Now, the moon. Moon is the only natural satellite that revolves around the Earth. And it takes for the moon to complete an orbit around the Earth in 27 days and 8 hours. Now, have you wondered why the moon seems to change its shape? Sometimes we see the moon grow from a small to big full moon and become smaller before vanishing for a few days. These are known as the phases of the moon. The phases of the moon are the different ways the moon looks from the earth over a month. As the moon orbits around the earth, the half of the moon that faces the sun will light up. The different shape of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from the earth are known as the phases of the moon. It is because the moon does not have the heat and light of its own. It shines because of the sun's heat, reflections of the sun. So there are 8 phases of the moon. Let's review back what we have learned today. The earth, the galaxy, the solar system, how many planets are there in our solar system, and why the earth is considered a unique planet. It is because the earth has a very special features that supports life. Thank you. That's all for today. See you in the next video.